Have you ever noticed something strange? The exact same car, same engine, same model, same year, but in America, it recommends 0W-20 oil, while in Europe, Australia, or Japan, it recommends 5W-30 or even 10W-30. Sounds like a small detail, right? But this one difference can mean thousands of dollars in engine wear or repair costs over time. Some people say it's about weather. Others blame oil chemistry, and some say it's all marketing. But here's the truth. It's a mix of engineering compromises, emissions laws, and corporate strategy. And by the end of this video, you'll know why this difference exists, whether 0W-20 is protecting your engine, or slowly killing it. Let's break it down like a real mechanic would. Section 1. Same engine, different oil. Let's start with a real example. Toyota Camry 2.5-liter 4-cylinder. USA manual, 0W-20 only. Australia, Japan, Europe, 5W-30 or 10W-30. Same engine, same internals. Another example. Honda 1.5-liter turbo. USA, 0W-20. UK, Europe, 5W-30. Same turbo, same bearings, same cooling system. So what changed? The weather? No, because Florida and Finland don't get different manuals. The truth is more subtle and more political. So let me ask you this. If 0W-20 is truly the best oil, why do manufacturers recommend thicker oil everywhere else? Why do mechanics quietly use 5W-30 in their own cars? And why does your engine suddenly burn oil after 80,000 miles? Think about that. Quick pause. If you care about your engine lasting 200,000 plus miles, hit like, tap subscribe, and comment below. What oil are you currently using? Now let's expose the real reason. Section 2. CAF and fuel economy pressure. In the United States, automakers must meet CAF standards, corporate average fuel economy. Miss the target? Millions in fines. So how do manufacturers squeeze extra MPG? They reduce internal friction, and thinner oil like 0W-20 reduces drag, improves fuel economy by 0.5 to 1 mpg, helps pass EPA lab tests. That tiny MPG gain can save manufacturers millions. But here's the problem. Thinner oil equals thinner protection under heat and load. Outside of the US, where fuel economy laws are looser, manufacturers prioritize durability, not paperwork. As one retired Toyota engineer said, oil choice isn't always engineering. Sometimes it's compliance. Section 3. Viscosity explained. Let's clear up confusion. Numbers. What does 0W-20 mean? 0W, cold start flow, winter, 20, viscosity at operating temperature. Now compare that to 5W-30. Slightly thicker at startup, much stronger oil film when hot, high heat, highway driving, towing, hot climates. 5W-30 protects better. Key difference. 0W-20 equals fuel economy and cold starts. 5W-30 equals heat resistance and longevity. Section 4. Engine wear and aging. Modern engines are built with tight tolerances, which allows thinner oils when they're new. But engines don't stay new forever. Over time, bearings wear, clearances increase. Oil film needs to be stronger. That's why many experienced mechanics recommend moving up one grade after 60 to 100,000 miles. As they say, engines aren't static, they grow. Section 5. Heat is the real enemy. America's problem isn't winter, it's summer. In states like Arizona, Texas, Florida, oil temps exceed 240 degrees Fahrenheit in traffic. Independent oil analysis shows 0W-20 loses 10 to 15% viscosity in high heat. 5W-30 stays stable much longer. That's why Toyota, Honda, and Nissan recommend thicker oil in hot regions outside of the US. Section 6. Warranty and the big myth. Will switching oil void your warranty? No. Under U.S. law, manufacturers must prove the oil caused the failure. If your oil meets API, ILSAC specs, is high-quality synthetic, your warranty is safe. Many manuals even say 5W-30 may be used if 0W-20 is unavailable. Translation: we know it works, we just can't say it officially. Section 7. What mechanics really use? Here's the secret. Most mechanics do not run 0W-20 in their own cars. Toyota, Honda, and Subaru techs admit they personally use 5W-30 or 5W-40. Why? Better heat protection, less oil consumption, longer engine life. One master tech said, 0W-20 is for invoices, 5W-30 is for longevity. So what oil should you use? Use 0W-20 if cold climate, short trips, new engine. Use 5W-30 if hot climate, long drives, towing, over 60,000 miles. The same engine already uses 5W-30 worldwide. You're not breaking rules, you're thinking like an engineer. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, comment your car in mileage. Your engine will thank you.